So not too many people know this, and I'm about to bestow this information upon you. There is not only 3, or if you want to include Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, not only 4 mountains at the Magic Kingdom. No, but there are actually 5. I give you the parking lot mountain of the Magic Kingdom in all its glory. Boom, boom. It's not really a ride or anything. Actually, I don't even know what the hell it is. It's been here forever and a day. And I don't think it's going anywhere. Why'd they have a huge... If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. Because I have no idea why this is here. And I don't think it's going away. This is the move. What's up, freaks? Your pal Al here, and today we will be heading off onto the PeopleMover. It's been kind of hard getting on that ride because, you know, it's always busy. It's always a huge line, but today, a lot less crowd, a lot easier to get on rides. So we're jumping on the PeopleMover to check out the sights and scenes and all of that. So without further ado, let's freak out. Shall we?
Please stand clear of the doors.
We're riding the most popular ride in Magic Kingdom for some reason, PeopleMover. It's been hard to get on this one. We're gonna get on so we can check out all the cool stuff around. Let's do this.
Throughout your journey, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip. Have some safety.
Away we go. Oh boy. Haven't ridden this in quite some time now. How is that? I think we should ride that soon. Quite possibly. Quite. There she is, the Majesty. Look at that. Tron is looking better and better every single day.
PeopleMover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
Wait a minute, is that Johnny Depp? Oh no, never mind. Jim Tracker? Adam the Woo! The Road? Hey, you're not supposed to be here yet. We are moving right along. The people are moving. Did it? Look at that castle. Wow. Now we are in darkness.
And now, Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
Can you imagine if they built that? I'd live there. I think the road would live there.
If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. Tomorrowland Speedway. Put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
There it is. Look at that, huh? Really coming together. Wow.
Mr. Tomorrowland. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Aging Mr. Morrow. I haven't seen him in months. Got a great channel. I can't see shit. There, that's better.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Here comes Tron again. Wow. That's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to get on the front row on that. First thing, as soon as it opens, we will be there. Oh yes, we will be there. Let's get these people to wave at us. Hello? Hello? They're not paying attention. What about them? Hi! The Astro Urbiter. Joffrey's Revive. They kind of marketed that, didn't they? No, they didn't.
We're now approaching.
Oh, and look, it's the restrooms. Oh, never get any shots of those.
Beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
Yes, and there's always a great, big, beautiful rump standing in your way. That's the rest of the song that they don't play when they play that song. There's an inside source that I got on that. You wouldn't. Don't worry about it. This thing's been here since the dawn of time.
Calling all space rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear.
And I hope it never goes away.
Join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's herd.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire.
Fantastic. Rolling, keep them doggies rolling. Boy, my ass is swollen. Oh, hey, look at this. Nice view. Yeah. No one's paying attention to me. I'm trying to say hi. Like usual, nobody's paying attention to me. It's kind of like the 50 views we got for this video.
Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland PeopleMover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
I will. That was fantastic. Absolutely terrific.
Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically.
Oh.
Step onto the moving platform with caution.
I want to watch them slide
By
open.
stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please
Get another
keep your
shot I
arms
don't
away
get.
from the doors and
There you
remain
go.
seated until the
We just
doors
got it.
slide open automatically. Step
Head now.
onto the moving platform with caution.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, okay. There it is. I watched it. Controls. Control. And so there goes the PeopleMover in all its glory. Welcome to the Rocket Tower Plaza Station. Presented by Alamo. Alamo. For all your car rental needs. I don't know why I said that. They're not even paying me to say that, but I said it anyway. Ah, well. So as I said earlier at the front of the park, I do know they're doing some work over by Tron, which rumor has it, the train's going to be going underneath. Like, when I say underneath, I mean underground. That's what the word is. The rumors look to be true. Look at this. Look at this. This used to be, if you don't know what we're looking at right here, this used to be the track for the Walt Disney World Railroad. That used to be the station right there. I'm wondering what they're gonna do with the station since there's no way to get on the train anymore. The train goes actually behind the tree line, and like I said, rumor has it, it will be going behind the tree line down into a tunnel that goes underneath Tron, which we are in front of right now, around, it comes back out of a tunnel around Space Mountain and heads back towards Main Street, USA. But this is amazing. I have not seen this portion yet of it tore up. There's no track. There's absolutely no track. None. And there's no station. I'm gonna zoom up over here. Look at this. There's no loading dock for the station, should I say. So I'm wondering, like, where are they building another station? And are they gonna turn this station into something else? Questions I have, questions that need to be answered, and I have too many cast member friends that can't hold their lips too tightly shut for too long. I tell you that, I will tell you, I have the money to make them talk. Wait a minute. Robe, I'm gonna need your help on this. It's so weird. They took down the plaques up front with no intention to put them back on, and Fantasyland Station has been shut down for quite a bit of time. I'm wondering if they're gonna change this around. Only time will tell and give us the answers on that. But Tron looks pretty good. Well, you know, the Tron Hotel looks pretty good. Yeah. Very interesting stuff. For those of you that don't know, the Confectionary has moved over to the cinema, a little cinema area where they used to have the movies and stuff like that. It just temporarily moved over there until around October 1st. What's up? Around October 1st, it will be reopened. And from what I know, and I know a lot, it's gonna be bigger, a lot bigger. They took out offices on the back end of it, and they cleared out a lot of other space. And supposedly this shop will be about 2 to 3 times bigger than it used to be. So, and you know what that means. A lot more candy. Oh, we gotta wait till October 1st, so we'll see what happens. So that's it. Your pal Al and PeopleMover. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit like. Hit subscribe if you're new. I do this kind of stuff quite a bit. Oh, and by the way, I haven't really mentioned it yet, but I have another YouTube channel. It's a gaming channel, kind of, you know, streaming on Twitch, as you all know. But now, I'll be streaming on YouTube for games, video games, stuff like that. If you want to check it out, go over there and support. Hit subscribe over there even. It'd be great if you did. The channel's called Allegor Gaming. Kind of looks like this. Right here. See what I put there? Yeah, look, it looks like that. Go on over there. Oh, and also the link will be in the description, just to help you get there. If you're into video games, or if you want to hang out with your pal Al playing games and having fun, jump on over there. Check that out. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Everybody else does on Twitch. Oh, and jump over to the Twitch channel too. Check that out too. That's right here. Twitch.tv/Alahor. And we're doing things. We're making moves. We're making things happen. Hope you'll join me on that. Pretty soon here we're gonna have the robe here. Things are gonna get a lot more fat. I mean, a lot more crazy. Edit that out. Until next time, remember, life is what you make of it, so make it a good one. And I will see you all real soon. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be famous on them YouTube.